The Ferrari SF90 Stradale, Type F173, is a mid-engine PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, sports car produced by the Italian automobile manufacturer Ferrari. The car shares its name with the SF90 Formula One car, with SF90 standing for the 90th anniversary of the Scuderia Ferrari racing team and Stradale meaning made for the road. Battery and driving modes. The car has a 7.9 kWh lithium-ion battery for regenerative braking, giving the car 26 kilometers 16 miles of electric range. The car comes with 4 driving modes depending on road conditions. The modes are changed by the eManettino knob present on the steering wheel. The eDrive mode runs the car only on the electric motors. The hybrid mode runs the car on both the internal combustion engine and the electric motors and is the car's default mode. In this mode, the car's onboard computer, called control logic, also turns off the engine if the conditions are ideal in order to save fuel while allowing the driver to start the engine again. The performance mode keeps the engine running in order to charge the batteries and keeps the car responsive in order for optimum performance. The qualify mode uses the powertrain to its full potential. The control logic system makes use of 3 primary areas: the high-voltage controls of the car, including the batteries, the RAC, rotation axis control electric, torque vectoring system, and the MGUK along with the engine and gearbox. Powertrain. The SF90 Stradale is equipped with 3 electric motors, adding a combined output of 220 PS, 162 kilowatts, 217 brake horsepower, to a twin-turbocharged V8 engine rated at a power output of 780 PS, 574 kilowatts, 769 horsepower, at 7,500 RPM. The car is rated at a total output of 1,000 PS, 735 kilowatts, 986 horsepower, at 8,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 800 Nm, 590 lb-ft, at 6,000 RPM. The engine is an evolution of the unit found in the 488 Pista and the F8 Tributo models. The engine's capacity is now 4.0 L, 3,990 cubic centimeters, by increasing each cylinder bore to 88 mm, 3.46 in. The intake and exhaust of the engine have been completely modified. The cylinder heads of the engine are now narrower and the all-new central fuel injectors run at a pressure of 350 bar, 5,100 psi. The assembly for the turbochargers is lower than that of the exhaust system and the engine sits 50 mm, 2.0 in, lower in the chassis than the other mid-engine V8 models in order to maintain a lower center of gravity. The engine utilizes a smaller flywheel and an Inconel exhaust manifold. The front wheels are powered by 2 electric motors, one for each wheel, providing torque vectoring. They also function as the reversing gear, as the main transmission, 8-speed dual clutch, does not have a reversing gear. Transmission. The engine of the SF90 Stradale is mated to a new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The new transmission is 10 kilograms 22 pounds lighter and more compact than the existing 7-speed transmission used by the other offerings of the manufacturer, partly due to the absence of a dedicated reverse gear, since reversing is provided by the electric motors mounted on the front axle. The new transmission also has a 30% faster shift time, 200 milliseconds. Interior. A 16-inch curved display located behind the steering wheel displays various vital statistics of the car to the driver. The car also employs a new head-up display that would reconfigure itself according to the selected driving mode. The steering wheel is carried over from the F8 but now features multiple capacitive touch interfaces to control the various functions of the car. Other conventional levers and buttons are retained. The interior will also channel sound of the engine to the driver according to the manufacturer. Handling. The SF90 Stradale employs ESSC, electric side slip control, which controls the torque distribution to all four wheels of the car. The ESSC is combined with etc., electric tractional control, a new brake-by-wire system which combines the traditional hydraulic braking system and electric motors to provide optimal regenerative braking and torque vectoring. Chassis. The car's all-new chassis combines aluminum and carbon fiber to improve structural rigidity and provide a suitable platform for the car's hybrid system. The car has a total dry weight of 1,570 kilograms, 3,461 pounds, after combining the 270 kilograms, 595 pounds weight of the electric system. Performance. Ferrari states that the SF90 Stradale is capable of accelerating from a standstill to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. 0 to 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, in 6.7 seconds, and can attain a top speed of 340 km per hour, 211 miles per hour. It is the fastest Ferrari road car on their Fiorano circuit as of 2020, 0.7 of a second faster than the LaFerrari. Design. The manufacturer claims that the SF90 Stradale can generate 390 kilograms, 860 pounds of downforce at 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour due to new findings in aero and thermal dynamics. SF90 Stradale front end. The main feature of the design is the twin-part rear wing, which is an application of the drag reduction system, DRS, used in Formula One. A fixed element in the wing incorporates the rear light. The mobile parts of the wing, called shut-off gurney by the manufacturer, integrate into the body by using electric actuators in order to maximize downforce. The SF90 Stradale uses an evolution of Ferrari's Vortex generators mounted at the front of the car. The car employs a cab-forward design in order to utilize the new aerodynamic parts of the car more effectively and in order to incorporate radiators or the cooling requirements of the hybrid system of the car. The design is a close collaboration between Ferrari Styling Center and Ferrari engineers. SF90 Stradale rear end. The rear end of the car carries over many iconic Ferrari styling elements such as the flying buttresses. The engine cover has been kept as low as possible in order to maximize airflow. According to the car's lead designer, Flavio Monzoni, the car's design lies in between that of a spaceship and of a race car. The rear side profile harkens back to the 1960s 330p3/4. Variants. SF90 Spider. The SF90 Spider is an open-top variant of the SF90 Stradale equipped with a retractable hardtop. It is the first Ferrari plug-in hybrid car offered as an open-top variant. It is also the most powerful non-limited convertible car in the world, having a combined power of 1,000 PS. The previous record was held by the Ferrari 812 GTS. Performance is very similar to the closed-body variant and on par with LaFerrari Aperta. Assetto Fiorano. The Assetto Fiorano is a racing modification pack for the SF90 Stradale or Spider. It uses racing-derived Multimatic shocks and lightweight carbon fiber parts embedded in the door panels and underbody. The Assetto Fiorano also employs a lightweight titanium exhaust system and carbon wheels. These measures save 30 kilograms, 66 pounds compared to the standard SF90 Stradale.